54 points now down for Nifty spot, so way below 4900. We have a print of sub 4900 on Nifty spot. For Nifty futures, I think the premium, the discount has expanded further. That's the Sensex for you. 1% down for the Sensex. 52 points down for Nifty spot, 1% down for the Sensex. There is news flow. There is a reason why Hindalco is outperforming, because GM has approved Mahan coal blocks. Reliance Power also will benefit indirectly. That's helping that stock 92. And then I also want to check on some SR Group companies, because SR Group companies also will benefit. DLF came out with a disappointing set of numbers. JP Associates also, numbers were below estimates. Margins have contracted for the quarter gone by, and the cement business is coming under pressure. But like Ashwini pointed out, that DLF and JP Associates, both these stocks have fallen so much that there are no sellers. The big story on Wednesday was Tata Motors, and I would reckon Tata Motors will be the big story today as well. And I'm afraid there is no follow-up buying. So in quick time, Tata Motors has retreated from levels of 280 to about 237. That's a vertical straight line fall for Tata Motors, which by the way is still the best performing Nifty 50 stock. SpiceJet, they came out with again poor set of numbers. They've managed to gain market share, but they've managed to gain market share at a high expense, because for the year gone by, SpiceJet, the operating loss has expanded 28.5 for SpiceJet. That's Nifty for you. 4900, but it's meaningless because globally there's a lot of nervousness.
Look at the sharp slice that a SpiceJet is currently seeing. It's an 8.5% cut that you're seeing on SpiceJet. Again, earnings reaction, and ditto is the case for a KFA too, wherein the loss has widened, and how 28.75 in Spice as well as KFA is currently sharply lower, down about almost 2.5%. Let's bring up Kingfisher Airlines as well and show you the result reaction there. That will just come up here on your screens. Hindalco perhaps seems like the only green spot, and it started off up 3.5% in an otherwise extremely weak market, while the Nifty is currently lower by a good 1%. We're just about defending the 4900 mark in trade. What else is holding up? ACC is just about seeing very marginal gains, and Ambuja is also flattish in trade right now. This is the case for the Reliance Power, and Ken as well is somewhat holding up in trade. What's under pressure is of course autos. So look at the way Maruti as well as Tata Motors are panning out in trade, and banks continues to be the basket of red this morning. ICICI Bank, huge gashes coming in on that one, down about 3.5%. You've also got an Axis which is currently lower. Financials like HDFC, SBI as well going in weak. And today, technology, much unlike what we've been seeing the last two trading sessions, technology too isn't quite being able to hold ground. I just want to quickly talk about some of the movers across the broader market as well. You've got a Godrej Industries down 3.5%. Tata Motors, like I pointed out, 2.5% lower. Delta Corp, Lanco, Barn Offshore, Suzlon, Unitech, and Pantaloon, which has been seeing a heady run-up last two trading sessions. Today, it's taken a bit of a breather. It's down by about 2% or so. CESC, again lower by 2%, and Patel Engineering being the other one. Havells, that continues to look good. You've got Nalco, Hindalco, both these aluminum names looking good. Reliance Power, like I pointed out. SR Oil, Financial Technologies. You've got a GAIL, which is seeing very good traction. The stock is up 7/10. MTNL, Adani Enterprises are some other names which are looking strong as we step into expiry.